HST 357 SIG 125 grains from a 4-inch barrel. No bullet recovered, but here's a look at the first jug. "10 yards, 11.6 inches of penetration, no bullet recovered. 25 yards, 9.7 inches of penetration, diameter 0.75. 50 yards, 9.7 inches of penetration, diameter 0.59. This iteration took one shot from the 10-yard line, one shot from the 25, and one shot from the 50-yard line. No real surprises. Unfortunately, at the 10-yard line, the bullet passed through 3 jugs, hit the 4th jug, and then bounced. I was not able to recover it. HST 357 SIG 125 grain from a 4.5-inch barrel. "10 yards, 11.6 inches of penetration, diameter 0.79. 25 yards, 9.7 inches of penetration, diameter 0.79. 50 yards, 12.1 inches of penetration, diameter 0.75. This iteration went exactly as expected. HST 357 SIG 125 grain from a 5-inch barrel. "10 yards, 11.6 inches of penetration, diameter 0.79. 25 yards, 12.1 inches of penetration, diameter 0.83. 50 yards, 11.6 inches of penetration, diameter 0.75. Once again, the HST is very consistent. The results were exactly as expected, except for marksmanship. Marksmanship was bad today. Don't even want to talk about it. All right, the 357 SIG is done. Not going to waste any time here because the summary is next. And a lot of the things that I want to say, I'm going to wait until we do the summary. But as you can see here, there are not a whole lot of surprises here. Unfortunately, I did lose a projectile at the 10-yard line with the 4-inch barrel. But as you can see, the HST, as usual, is very consistent. And that'll be it for this one. And we'll talk to you more in the summary. Have a great day.